Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how you can write squared in Microsoft Word. So it's very simple. I've got two methods, and the first way we're going to do this is we are going to square the x, okay? And if you go up to your home tab on the top of your toolbar, you are going to look for under the font section, the superscript. Now, the symbol looks like an X with a 2 just above it, and you're going to tap on that. Now, once it's selected, whatever you type next will be superscripted, and that is X squared. The next way we can do this is by going over into Insert on our toolbar, and we're going to go all the way to the right hand side, and here you can see equation. Now, once you tap on that, you will have this box that's inserted, and here you can see that there are a bunch of different presets. So you can go ahead and have a look through these presets, or you can see that there are a bunch of other headings. What you can then do is look for the script, and we are going to tap on that script. Now it gives you some options. Here are some common subscripts and superscripts. So if you're looking to square something, you can just tap on that one, or you can use these blank placeholders. So this superscript here, and it'll give you this. Now what you can do is enter your data in there, and of course you want to enter the square in over there, and then you're going to click anywhere outside of the box, and it will be the exact same as what this was. So there you go, two ways to square your symbols or numbers in Microsoft Word. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.